Some homes invite you to slow down. Set in a quiet gated community with low HOA, this pristine lakefront home offers peace, privacy, and beautiful views. Inside, you'll find soaring 10-foot ceilings and a split bedroom layout designed for comfort and ease. The heart of the home is a gourmet kitchen with a large island, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. An air-conditioned Florida room connects indoor living with the outdoors year-round. Beautifully maintained, move-in ready. This is lakefront living at its best in Vero Beach.